In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use an Airtable formula field. If you want Airtable to calculate values automatically for you, formula fields are one of the most useful tools you can learn. They help you combine text, perform math, check conditions, and generate dynamic results based on the information already stored in your table. Once you understand the basic setup, creating formulas becomes much easier. To begin, open the Airtable table where you want to calculate data. Make sure you're in the correct base and looking at the table that contains the fields you want to reference. This is important because your formula will pull information from the fields in that specific table. Next, add a new field by clicking the plus button. This creates a fresh column where your calculated result will appear. Think of this new field as the place where Airtable will display the output of your formula. Naming the field clearly can also help you stay organized, especially if your table includes several calculated columns. When the field options appear, choose Formula as the field type. This tells Airtable that instead of entering values manually, you want the column to calculate results automatically. Formula fields are especially helpful because they update whenever the referenced data changes, so you don't need to keep editing results by hand. After that, type your formula into the formula box. This is where you tell Airtable exactly what you want it to calculate. Depending on your goal, the formula can be very simple or more advanced, but the process always starts in this editor. Take your time here since even small typing mistakes can affect the result. As you build the formula, use field names inside curly brackets, like status. This is how Airtable knows which column you want to reference. The field name must match the existing field in your table, so pay close attention to spelling and spacing. Using curly brackets correctly is essential because without them, Airtable may not understand the reference. Once your formula is entered, check the preview result. The preview helps you confirm whether the formula is working the way you expect before you finalize it. If something looks wrong, this is the best moment to adjust the formula and correct any errors. Finally, save the field and review the calculated results in your table. After saving, Airtable will apply the formula across the records in that column. Look through the results to make sure everything appears accurate and consistent. With that, your formula field is ready to use, and you can start letting Airtable handle calculations automatically.